Hello guys, welcome to ibervisionchannel. Today I have a short tutorial for you. All of us use Windows PCs mainly, and as you know, sometimes we want to play our Android games or do some stuff from Android. We are used to Android and we can use most of Android applications on Windows PC. So there is a way to do that. Maybe many of you already know that, and this is a really nice program, really nice application, BlueStacks. So today I'm going to show you how to install latest BlueStacks on your PC, and then of course how to root it, because the rooted BlueStacks is awesome. You can download all kinds of applications, do whatever you want. So let's take a look at this tutorial. So first of all, of course, you need to download BlueStacks. So you can download BST Tweaker. This is a short program, and this program will help you to root your BlueStacks. Then you have to stop BlueStacks, not exit BlueStacks, but full stop it. And after it stops, you have to go to helpers. In newer version you have a root section there, and you just click root and wait a few seconds. Of course there's a process, it's gonna end. And after rooting is done, you go to main menu and you click start BS button and wait for BlueStacks to start up. As it starts up, you have to click helpers again. In newer version in the root menu, and patch it. Just click a patch button there. And after that you have to go to root check in BlueStacks, and the root check will show you that BlueStacks is rooted. Now we have to keep this root there, so when you exit the program it doesn't disappear. And now we have to install from the BlueStacks Tweaker Super SU. Click it and it's installed in a few seconds. Then you have to choose expert version, agree with it, continue, and normal installation. You have to wait a few seconds. Okay, here it is, it's coming. Yes, just click OK and no thanks. Exit Super SU and click root check again, and now we have a super user request. You have to click it, grant the access, and that's it, guys. Your BlueStacks is successfully rooted, and you can use all kind of applications from Google Market and just be happy. I hope this video was interesting for you, and if it wasn't, please let me know that you don't like this kind of videos and you don't want this kind of videos on this channel. Just write your comments down in the comment section, and I'll see you here on ibervisionchannel in next videos. Have a nice day. Bye.